Guys, don't dare cut the panino. It's a sin. Just like you don't break the pasta. No. Oh, ha, ha, oh. It's mighty, it's fierce, it's powerful. We shall call you Spartacus. Just like you! Ingredienti? If you are familiar with Rome and its traditions of panini making and all the different bakeries and paninotecas that are all over town, scattered all over town, that provide the most succulent, crazy combinations of paninis that you've ever seen. They're oily, they're greasy, there's all sorts of things inside, and they are iconic, just like you. So today we're making an iconic Roman-inspired panino for all of you. This is gonna be a unique combination, and it really is a full meal, possibly 3 or 4 courses into one. Okay, let's grill some eggplants. Grill an eggplant. Grill some slices of eggplants. Perfect. Sprinkle some more salt. And now we make the basil infused mayo. One egg yolk, some lemon and vinegar. 2 teaspoons of vinegar. Broccoli rub. Remember, all of these ingredients are mixable. If you have dandelion greens, broccoli rub, spinach, whatever you fancy. Salt. Italian spicy sausage. Add some provolone slices on the sausage that's almost ready. Let it melt a little. Guess what? We made these little ciabattine all by ourselves from scratch. And it's so simple, but that's for another recipe. I don't want to cut the whole thing. I want to leave a little bit, like a clam. Prepare sandwich paper. Just gorgeous. Romans would be proud. La 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 da, 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 da. Spartacus is born, and he's just gorgeous. Thank you for being a part of the Royal Court of Pasta family, and see you next time in this incredible, iconic Roman panini, first of a kind series. Stay tuned.